is yes. Everything is no.
They want to interview me as a mother, how I spend my day with my baby. Hi everyone, this is my daddy, my papa Karmudayas, and I'm his daughter Ksenia. I've also got, I have a baby girl, and this is how I like to spend my day being in Goa. Why are you imitating me? I have to wake up at 5 in the morning.
5 5
Wait,
we
keep quiet.
12 उठाती ना.
So around 6 o'clock I start having my my oats. Are Papa? Oats.
No.
Don't
tell
no,
lies.
wait, Ray.
Don't tell
Papa,
lies.
Papa, 5 o'clock, Ray, Papa. Wait, listen.
Don't
Papa,
tell
listen.
lies.
It's going on news, Ray, Papa. Wait,
Let
Ray.
it go by news. That is.
At 7 o'clock, I do my mommy's yoga.
Yoga?
Really for the body.
Which
And 9
yoga?
o'clock, Papa goes to bring bread and bhaji for everyone.
You cancel everything. I'm going away.
Arey, wait, Ray. Papa, mommy's yoga, Ray.
No,
People are watching,
no.
Ray.
Let people watch.
Papa, listen,
I
Ray.
don't get no.
Papa, listen.
No,
People are watching.
No, let people watch.
Yeah,
You must
wait.
tell the truth.
I'm-
No, you must tell the truth. Don't.
Papa, listen.
Wait.
Let me
Don't
start it.
tell.
Papa,
Nonsense.
mommy's yoga is important, Ray, Papa.
Yeah, important. Practically important. But who is being practically learning? Huh? Don't tell
Papa,
lies.
listen. Okay, evening. Evening schedule, I'll go for.
Tell the truth.
Arey, truth is that only, no?
No.
Okay, so 8 o'clock I do mommy's yoga, 8 o'clock. By 9 o'clock I give baby bath. I put a little oil for her and I give her a nice bath.
Who said you give her bath?
Say yes, me.
Why Asu?
Very bad. Very bad. Very bad. Very bad.